Hello my little friends. We write alphabet and object color and object name. A for apple. Apple color is orange. A-P-P-L-E, apple. B for banana. B color is yellow. Banana color is yellow. We color yellow color. Banana spelling B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. C color is pink. C for candy. Candy color pink and green. Pink color done. Then we color green. Candy spelling C-A-N-D-Y, candy. D color is light blue. D for dog. Dog color is yellow color. We make a color yellow. Dog spelling D-O-G, dog. E for elephant. E color is silver color. Elephant color is grey color. We draw elephant and color is grey. Elephant spelling E-L-E-P-H-A-N T, elephant. F for fish. F color is yellow, dark yellow color. We draw fish and fish color yellow color and light yellow color. Fish spelling F-I-S-H, fish. Next G color is orange color. G for gift. Gift spelling G-I-F-T, gift. H for house. H color is pink. We draw house, then color. We make house color. House spelling H-O-U-S-E, house. I for ice cream. Yummy ice cream. I color is yellow. We draw ice cream, then make color. Yellow color. Ice cream spelling I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. Next J color is orange color. J for juice. Juice color is orange. Juice spelling J-U-I-C-E, juice. Next K for key. We draw key. Then color. Key spelling Key, key. Next L. L color is orange. L for ladybug. We draw ladybug. Ladybug spelling Lady, Bug, bug, ladybug. Next M. M for monkey. M color is yellow. We draw monkey. Monkey spelling Monkey, monkey. Next N. N for note. Note spelling Note, note. O color is orange color. O for orange. Orange color is orange. Orange spelling Orange, orange. Next P. P for pizza. P color is purple color. Light purple. Pizza spelling Pizza, pizza. Q. Q for queen. Q color is light yellow. We draw queen. Then we color the queen. Queen spelling Queen, queen. R. R color is blue. R for rainbow. Rainbow 7 color. We draw rainbow, then we color. Wow, beautiful color. Rainbow is many colorful. Rainbow spelling RAINBOW, rainbow. Next S. S for spider. We draw spider. Spider spelling S-P-I-D-E-R. Spider. Next, T. T color is orange. T for turtle. Turtle spelling T-U-R-T-L-E. Turtle. Next, U. U for unicorn. U color is green. We draw unicorn. Unicorn spelling U-N-I-C-O-R-N. Unicorn. V. V for vegetable. V color is orange. Onion or carrot. Vegetable spelling V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S. Vegetables. Next, W. W for hole. W color is blue color. Hole color is blue. Hole spelling W-H-A-L-E. Hole. X. X for Xmas. X color is orange. Xmas spelling X-M-A-S. Xmas. Next, Y. Y for yarn. Y color is orange. Our yarn color green color. We make color yarn green. Yarn spelling Y-A-R-N. R N yarn. Next Z. Z for zigzag.